okay, for our next type of line project, we're gonna get a little bit more complex here. And so for mine, I'm gonna kind of start with kind of a curved flower shape for the middle. Remember, you can do any project that has to do with line. You don't have to do the one I'm doing. You can choose to do your own. And now I'm gonna repeat that. So it started off with these curved kind of diagonal lines. And now I'm gonna repeat that. I'm gonna jump behind it and use some overlapping for my fancy schmancy flower here. And I'm gonna repeat over here. Repeat over here. Okay, I'm growing out my flower or my design. Now maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna change this one and make it just a little bit wider so it comes to about here. Then I'm gonna add these little small ones back behind just for fun in each little corner or divot, right? And I've started out with something simple that begins to grow, and lines can do that. And lines create shape. So I'm really creating a shape that's growing and growing and growing. And I can do more, but let's talk about how we can make the inside more complex with lines. So one thing I'm gonna kind of do is create the illusion that my flower is gonna kind of pop up a little bit with lines. So lines are powerful. They can create illusions in art, masters of deception, and come up, and I'm creating kind of the illusion, and I'm following the shape and curving my lines, which is making it look like, even though this is really a flat piece of paper, it's making it look like it's curving up and around. And I'm going to do the same thing here and repeat that. Then eventually I'm going to get to over here where I ran into that, and so now this is going to come up and around. Right? Use our eraser, our artist tool. All right. Then over here, come up with that one a little bit more, and then this is going to curve here. So I'm creating lines to make something more complex here, creating a little illusion, which is pretty fun. And then you could really try this with any shape that you want to. It wouldn't necessarily have to be a flower shape. It could be any shape, right? Maybe you want to make a puppy dog with lines, or a tree, car. It really could be anything. And then I'm just going to add a few more in here just to kind of give that little circle in the middle. Ooh, I like how this is turning out. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, just to give my eye a little bit of break from all the swirliness going on in here, I'm going to come over here and just add a few more as well. I'm going to jump to the ones that are behind here and add a few swirlies just for fun. Now, I could even make it look like this was going in if I did like kind of like diagonal lines in the background coming in. However, I don't want to take up too much time. I want you guys to get designing kind of on your own with whatever kind of shape you choose. And you can try doing lines like this on the inside. You don't have to do lines that come up. You can choose your own type of line, right? I just want you guys to be creative and see what beautiful designs you can create with lines that grow. So this one, we're thinking about lines that grow, and how are you going to make your lines grow, okay? And so I can't wait to see your guys' cool designs. Okay, so we'll upload them on Seesaw.